Did you know that with OneDrive for Business, you and your team can manage files using a range of different collaboration tools? Here's a look at how they're using these tools over at Westcal. Thomas is working with some confidential Westcal files on their OneDrive for Business account. He needs to share these files with select members of his team and their new client. But he must make sure that the files can only be viewed or edited by the select team members he's provided access permissions for. Fortunately for Thomas, OneDrive for Business offers several tools that he can use to perform these actions. So what are these tools and what actions can you perform with them? With OneDrive for Business collaboration tools, you can share files within and outside of your organization and sync your computer and OneDrive account so you can access files via File Explorer. Sync your OneDrive files with the app and backup files to the OneDrive PC folder to prevent data loss. That's a lot of features to get your head around, but don't worry, as over the next few minutes you're going to explore each one and find out how they work. To start, here's a look at the document sharing feature. Any file in your OneDrive for Business account can be shared with other OneDrive users inside and even outside of your organization. To begin sharing files, first select the target file. You can then choose between one of several methods to share the file. Select Share on the top bar. Hover over the file and click the Share button. Right-click the file and then click Share. And you can also select the ellipses and then the Share option. Once you click a Share option, the Share pop-up dialog box appears. Here you can choose who you want to share the file with and add a message. After you've added the recipient and message, click Send to complete the process. A link to the file is then emailed to your recipient. You can also use the copy link command to view a direct link to the file. You can then share the file by sending the direct link in an email or instant message. But what if you want to change another user's access levels or completely remove them from the file? With OneDrive for Business's access permissions, you can perform these actions and more. To change access settings for a file, first select the Share option to open the Share window. Add the name of the recipient, then click the pencil icon beneath the file name in the Share window. You can now choose the recipient's level of file access. The options include can edit, can review, can view, and can't download, which means they can view the document but can't download it. For more control over Share settings, select the file, click Share, and then click the cog icon to access the link settings. From here you can share with anyone, share with people in your organization, share only with people with existing access, or specific people of your choice. You can also define the file access level, set an optional expiration date, or even a password for basic file protection. When you've finished configuring your link settings, click Apply. Finally, click Send to share your document. The status of the selected document is changed to Shared. OneDrive also lets users configure OneDrive for Business Sync. By syncing your OneDrive for Business account to your computer, you can access files in File Explorer instead of relying on a browser. These files will then be available to you even if you are offline. And any changes you make are automatically synced back to the OneDrive for Business account when you come back online. The OneDrive app on desktop also lets users transfer files to the OneDrive PC folder backup to avoid any unwanted incidents of data loss. All the backed up files are also available to access on other devices. As you've just seen, OneDrive for Business offers some great tools for managing your workspace and files. And you're now ready to begin using these tools to collaborate on projects with your teammates.